Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking to watch my video at all. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And then if you're a returning subscriber, returning viewer, I love you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So for today's video, I'm showing you how I achieved the gorgeous looking crown braid that you saw earlier. Yes, you can call it halo braids or crown braids, depending on however you know it. I call it crown braids. Well, mostly I call it halo braids, but you can see that this one comes with some spice. I added some jazz to it. If you want to see how I achieved it, then you must keep on watching. Okay, just a little secret, my hair is not washed. I was just being stubborn, like I was lazy. I didn't want to wash my hair, so I'm just like, I beg, we're gonna wing this thing, we're gonna do it as it is, we're gonna work with what we have. So my hair right here was like 2 weeks post shampoo, so it was already dirty, trust me, but I just worked with it like that. So that's why I kind of didn't apply too much product on it, because I didn't want it to have too much build up. So yeah.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see.
By the way, just to check in on you guys, how are you doing? I'm doing great from this side. Yes, trying to hold up despite all that's been happening in Nigeria, despite all that's been happening around the world. We are still staying strong. I hope you're staying strong too. Please keep a positive mindset through it all, because we're going to get through it. Trust me, we're going to come out victorious. I believe so. Please believe so too, okay? Also, I would like to seize this opportunity to say big welcome to everybody, all the new subscribers, because yeah, this channel is growing, you guys, and I'm so grateful to all of you who have subscribed. Yes, I see a couple new people have subscribed. I'm so thankful that you told everybody to click and subscribe. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so. Kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Yeah, just join the gang, basically. That's all I'm saying, okay?
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end.
My hair is also not stretched. Yes, so that is why you can see that the hair is not laying too flat or the edges are not looking too seamless. Yes, because my hair is kinky AF. So if you know you want a super neat and super crisp looking outcome, then you just want to make sure you stretch out your hair. Do whatever it is that you like to do to stretch out your hair, be it eat less or eat blowout. Just do it if you know you want like a seamless outcome, okay? But for me, I did not mind the look, so I just basically walked away because I knew that after this hairstyle I was going to blow out my hair. So to minimize the usage of it, I decided not to blow my hair out. And of course,
The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
so after I'm done creating the braids in the front, I did these braids in the front to give it like a Fulani effect, like a tribal braids effect. So after I was done creating the braids in the front, I went ahead and tried to put my hair in a low bun. Yes, so basically apply all the types of gel that I had in my house, in my collection, to try and slick down my hair. You guys, I did not want to bore you with the entire process of trying to make that hair look good or trying to tame the hair to the back. So basically the only tip I'll give to you is work in section. If you've seen my video on the Yara Shahidi inspired hairstyle that I did, there I actually showed you how I slicked down my hair, and the basic tip is working in sections, adding the gel in sections if your hair is thick, and that way you're going to achieve a sleek look. That is actually the only way you can achieve a sleek look, okay? So I didn't want to bore you with all of that. Now I'm creating the braids that is going to go round my head to form the halo braids. So in case you're wondering how I came about the tiny braids that went round or that is appearing through my jumbo braid, what I did was, after creating the jumbo braid that I was going to use for my crown braids, I then braided another small sized braid that was long enough to appear from one ear to the other. So I created that small sized braid and used my crochet hook to crochet it through the jumbo braid I created first. So that's how I created that look that you saw at the beginning. Yes, I had my jumbo braid around my head and it had some tiny braid peeking through. Yes, so that was what I did. Okay, after wrapping the jumbo braid around my head, I'm now going to take what is left of that to cover up my natural ponytail, and then I secured it with bobby pins. I also used bobby pins to secure the jumbo braid on the crown of my head, so that way it goes nowhere, like it won't be shifting off my head. And that's basically all I did to achieve this look, guys. I got loads of compliments on this hair, I'm not gonna lie. I really loved rocking it. Like, I've been wanting to get halo braids for the longest time. Like, I've always loved halo braids, but I finally got around to doing it and I'm super proud of myself. Let me know if you liked this video. Let me know if you love this hairstyle. Let me know also if you're gonna try it, and please do not forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. Share with your friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe please if you haven't done so already. Okay, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.
Wishing